This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Prime. In association with Micromax. Nothing like anything.
So, how to keep your wheels running smooth? You will find out right here on this show.
From the body panels to the engine coming together to the transmission. ये चीजें बहुत आपको बेनिफिट देती हैं.
Hi everyone, welcome to this brand new show that we're bringing you on Auto Prime right here on NDTV Prime. I'm Siddharth Vinayak Partnikar, and over the last 10 years when it comes to the NDTV network, we've always tried to bring you the very best from the world of automobiles, and so many of you have followed us with CNB or the Car and Bike Show. Now, one of the things that we've always prided ourselves on is just how close we've been to each other. There's lots of interaction, so many of you share your thoughts with us. So many of you feel invested in the show as well, and so whether it's our Facebook community or whether it's on Twitter or on NDTV social or email, you always send in your feedback, and that's something we've always appreciated. One of the big things you've always said, why can't CNB just be longer every week? Well, that is one of the things we wanted to try and address on this new show. The other thing, lots of you have queries and questions, not just about what to buy, but once you do buy it, how do you maintain it? How do you keep it absolutely shiny and new and in good shape? Well, that's what we thought we'll address with CNB Bazaar Buzz. This is a program that gets you even closer to your automobiles. All that feedback, all that research, and everything that's made CNB what it is over the last 10 years, well, all that goes into the show now. The CNB team is going to be bringing you this extended version of the show, if you will, and so which is why instead of simply just making the program duration a little bit longer, we thought we'll give you a whole new show, the second one in fact, every week. So every Thursday night, this is what we're going to be bringing you. And like I said, many of you want to talk about how to maintain your products. Well, that's the kind of flavor and feel the show will have for you. So, how to keep your wheels running smooth? You will find out right here on this show. But you know what, it's not just about that. There's so much else that we want to talk about, and the entire team's going to be busy bringing you all that information. Bala is right here joining me. Hi there, Bala.
Yep.
Integral part of the CNB family, of course, and really busy on this particular show as well. Bala was just talking about how maintenance is a really key part of this, crucial piece that we're trying to bring here on this show, but lots more as well.
Sure. What we want to try and focus is give the viewer the best options available in the market, because currently there are so many options, everything is evolving. Something as simple as buying a used car, for example. Is it the best option to go to a Mahindra First Choice because you're going to get that premium, or is it better to buy it online? There's just so many options available. We want to try and give the option and present it in a way that they will be a lot more well informed at the end of it.
And cut through the clutter, because there are all those options and you don't really always know which is the best one that works for you. What else?
Accessories, for example, huge. There's a world of accessories at different price points, and we really want to kind of give the viewer at every budget there is an option to kind of do up your car, revamp your car. For example, body wraps is a big thing right now, but not many viewers actually know that body wraps is available at a price point as low as 10,000 rupees. It can be a simple strip across the car, but that's something that a lot of people are buying. And again, you try and go to an authorized dealer, it might be a little more premium, but you can get that kind of quality at a smaller retailer, for example. So that's again a big thing. And of course, finance and insurance, which is such a big world really, but it's a lot more confusing because you don't know which the best option is. You just pick the first one that comes to you, that is presented by the dealer, but that might not
May
be
not be the best one
exactly.
to go with. Yeah, so well, we'll have all of those options for you. Riding gear, anything else that you want to use to make your overall experience with your vehicles better, we will cover it for you. That's a promise. But anyway, Bala, I've got to get going because I have a CNB shoot to get to.
All right,
So
have fun.
see you in just a little bit.
Yeah.
Take care.
From the body panels to the engine coming together to the transmission to that indicator lights as you're seeing behind me. These are all important components that come together, and we'll take a closer look at them. Now this is a small but yet crucial part of the entire manufacturing process. The badging on the car gets done. Now, tire maintenance is an important component to the overall condition of the car. Remember, fuel economy is also linked to the condition of your tire, so it's important to kind of keep that tire in top shape. So we thought it might be a good time to get the car ready for the monsoon. So we're here at the 3M Car Care to see how monsoon ready this car is. So right now the underbody of the car is getting water washed before it goes for the rust protection treatment. Now this is just stage one of the rust protection treatment, where they're cleaning the car of any dust and water elements, then they let it dry before the actual material is laid on it. So while we were driving this car, we heard a lot of squeaking noise that came in, and that's something you might want to check at the service center. So while you're buying that used car, even on that short test ride, you'll get a sense that the fan belt, there's something wrong with the fan belt. So before you buy that used car, do watch out for all this. Now a device which has taken a back seat, which earlier used to be quite a rage, available in most cars, are the portable navigation devices. But companies like Garmin, TomTom and MapMyIndia are continuing to launch these devices with new high-end features. And right now I have the new high-end device from Garmin.
I'm on my way to a CNB shoot right now, driving the new Edition 1 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. And that's just the thing. Latest cars, even high-end cars, that's the kind of stuff we bring you on CNB, besides, of course, looking at even the latest bikes. But here on Bazaar Buzz, the focus is going to be very different. We want to really get our hands dirty and get you hands-on information that really matters to you. The whole point being, you will be in focus, and so, which is why we want to make sure that all the information that flows through on this show is stuff that you can really use every day.
Wheel balancing allows the proper distribution of weight across all tires. Modern equipment simplifies and quickens this process. The wheel is first dismantled from the car and kept on the balancing port.
There are two kinds of kits available in the market. One is sequential and the other is conventional. And we explore the process that goes into making that alteration to your car.
Conventional system is the old system which is used in Euro 2 and Euro 3 vehicles, and sequential system is the new system which is used in Euro 4 vehicles. It depends. If we are installing a conventional system, it takes around 2 or 2.5 hours. But if we go for sequential system, it takes around 4 hours.
A couple of things that they possibly will be looking at is the rust protection for the underbody, as well as the germ clean plus treatment that they have to get rid of all the germs from the inside of the car. This is going to be inside the cabin, where they're looking at a complete germ removal kind of scenario inside this cabin. The germ clean treatment includes air blowing and dry and wet vacuuming of interiors, interior cleaning with an anti-germ product, foam application for the air conditioner. Coming up, we follow Siddharth as he reveals what else is new on CNB Bazaar Buzz, including a makeover that could jazz up your ride.